Hello, my name is Rich Granis, and I want to welcome you to learn how to make your own squeeze page in less than 5 minutes. Now, for those of you that don't know what a squeeze page is, you might have heard the term capture page, landing page, or squeeze page. And as a reinforcement to those that know, and to tell you the ones that don't know, it's just a page that you send prospects or clients to, and they need to fill in their name, email address, and any other information that you might have or want. Now, what you're seeing on your screen right now is an example of one of these pages. Why would you want one? Well, it's very simple. You need to follow up with people, and the money or the help you want to give is all dependent on your list. So the easier and simpler it is to build the list, the better and more successful you'll become. Now, there's lots of ways to go out there and bring people to your landing page, but today I just want to show you how simple it can be. We use a program, Social Media List Builder, and we'll have all the information for you at another time, or you can look it right on the screen and see where you can go and take a look and even get a free trial for it. But it is very, very simple to use and quick. You know, years ago when we designed something like what you see here, we have a little movie that plays. We give free bonuses. There's a way of even getting more free bonuses. And all we're asking is for the name and email address. And they click here. And what this does is it captures this information or whatever we ask for and sends it to one of my contact lists. Now I have the list. That's how you build a list. Whether you're using Facebook, whether you're using Twitter, whether you're using another social media outlook, or maybe you're using a web page or a blog. I mean, there's hundreds and hundreds and thousands of ways. But today, we're strictly going to stay with building this page. You know, years ago, not only would it take thousands of dollars to hire someone to do this, but if you tried to learn it yourself with HTML code and trying to put everything together, it would take you weeks, if not months, to put this together. Well, see, this one here is mine. What we're going to do now is go into my back office, and I want you to set the timer, and you see how long it'll take. Well, first of all, when I come to my back office, I want to create a lead capture page. I would tell it I am creating one, and it asks what kind of background that I want for it. Now, you can start with a clean, blank sheet of paper and build it with everything, or choose some of these pre-done ones for you. We're going to grab template 5. I click on it, and I'm going to say choose. Now, this is just like the one I was just showing you. It asks for a title on here, and I want to build your list online. I do want to have a survey because I definitely want the first name and email address. If you notice, you could either choose display only or display and mandatory, meaning the prospect has to fill it in to go any further. Now, if I wanted their last name, time zone, all this other, I could easily click it. Let's say I wanted the phone. I put display and mandatory on it. We're using this as an example. Now, all landing pages do not have to have what's called an autoresponder. We'll get into that in the next video. But for now, we're not going to have an autoresponder. And for those that don't know what that is, it's just a preset amount and wording of emails that are sent to that email address they put in. We're going to say, no, I only want the contacts to go to my contact manager in my system. And no, we don't want any autoresponder campaign. Now, when I come over here, I can use a domain name. I don't have to have an assigned name. It won't work unless you have one. Or since I have a couple, create leads.info and build list online, I'm going to call it list. So this has a location, list.buildlistonline.com. Now, I can tell prospects and direct them wherever I want after they fill in the survey. I can go to a default page, and it always lets you view anything you want to see. This would be a default page where I'm giving them even few items, more bonuses, or I can send it to a company-specific page, or I can just do a page on my own bonus sales page, or send them to my regular page. I'm going to send them to the website to get more bonuses. The last step on this page is, do I want to add free bonuses as an incentive for them to sign up? Well, absolutely. I'll click yes. Then I will click here to preview what we have giving them. And today I'm going to give them the power of the internet, how to generate free quality prospects. All that's done for me. The search engine optimizations is another video that we'll show later. And now on the little red arrow that says submit, I can put click here now. And it doesn't matter. You could put wording in or leave it blank. But I'm going to save changes to the lead capture page. The next one, they want to know the headline. Here is a copy of what it's going to look like. And my headline, I want to put down, build your own list fast and easy. And the subheadline, which is just a slower print right underneath it, great way to expand your business and create a list. That's it. That's all I want to put. And you can always change these later. Save changes and move to the next step. Now, I do want a video, so I can click on, I want to use a video from the library. I can preview. They give you tons of videos. And I always take the same one, which you're going to see when you hit the next step. I love this one down here from Jim Rohn. Profits are better than wages. I'll save changes, and I can view my page if I want to take a look. Or, since we're doing this under 5 minutes, I'm going to approve it. I have it built now. It is all set to go. If we wanted to take a look at it, here's the Build Your List online. Let's take a view of it and see what it looks like. Build your own list fast and easy. Great way to expand your business and great. Look at this. Look at this quality product that I built already. I'll turn off the video right now. And look at what you've done. You've got a video here, and you could have used anyone you made or picked anyone from YouTube or used one of the pre-recorded ones. We got to choose our own title, our subtag. Look at the free bonuses. It's all set up with big arrows. Get a free bonus valued at $97. If they want to get 5 more bonuses worth over $500, they can click here and it'll tell them that all they need to do is give a few more references. What good is that? Well, it builds your list even faster. See, this is the survey I put. I wanted the name, the email address, and remember, I did mark the phone. It does have to have it as mandatory. They enter the code, and here's the check button. Remember, I got to put my own wording. Click here now. Look at this professional landing page / capture page / squeeze page. Remember, you want to build the list so you can keep communicating with all those people. Well, thank you very much. Now you go out there and create your own. And if you want to use the simple products that we are using today, contact Rich Granis. You can go to my webpage, www.richgranis.com, RichGrannis, or if you would like, why don't you go to this site right here? What's the name of it? It's very simple. You can put list.buildlistonline.com. Thank you, and you have a great day.